July 26th. I just put in a couple of more slips. These have taken, it looks like, but I'd rather they be in the ground than up in the air, because I have had them, oh, something's eating the leaves, look at that. Have had them put out more potatoes if the stems are buried. Oh, there's a good sized dragon fruit. Ouch. By the way, if you didn't know, they do have thorns. First dragon fruit of the season. And look at the color of the flesh. I like them when they're a little bit pinker and they got a bit of a shrivel to them. This one's still green. Oops. This one's still green, but it's gonna be tasty anyway. Oh, that's really interesting. It almost looks like blood vessels running under the skin. Ooh. I know it's not going to have as much flavor because it just isn't ripe enough. And I don't think these ripen after being picked either. Like figs, once you pick them, that's as ripe as they're going to get. They get soft and mushy, but not more flavorful. She knows there's something good in that can, and she wants it now. Here we go. There you go. Is that good stuff? Is that good stuff? Nah. Boo's gonna get some. Where is everybody else, huh? This is the kind of bird, it's only like 3 feet away, that had the baby the other day, and I cannot find it in any of my bird books. It's all brown, and I do not see any stripes or colorations or anything in its feathers. And it's gone. Well, it looks like the cantaloupe are going to try to do something. I did put out 2 packages of old squash seeds. And it looks like that one made it. They're both winter squash. Oh, sad, sad day. No blossoms. Well, there's some new ones, but it's going to be another hot one today, so might as well give up. See, they're just burning up and falling off. All this plant for 1 tomato. It's been so hot it's even burning up the lower branches. So hot it's even burning up the lower leaves. I generally leave them on to provide shade. Thought I saw spider mites. Nope, just my fuzzy eyeballs. All that for 1 tomato. And it's a beefsteak type. And that is, oh, it's got a heart on the bottom. Look, a heart. That's not blossom end rot. That's where the flower was. And it's usually referred to as cat facing because it gets a lot of distorted shapes to it. Well, it's still here and it's untouched. And it's not ripe enough, so I'll go and cover it up again. Holding up, but it's not ripe yet. Oh, here's a really nice big one. It's not even close to being ready. And they didn't peck through the cloth. So, I'm gonna cover it up with leaves and cover it up with the orange netting and hopefully get a beautiful fig in a couple of days. I was gonna harvest bugs for the chickens, but I don't see. Oh, there's one. I'm looking for fresh edges. Edges that haven't started turning brown yet. Like this one. There's a little tiny guy. Well, chicken snack time. There we go. Do you want that? Oh, yes, we want that. Well, I think somebody likes Brussels sprouts. Now, can you just eat the bugs that are on the Brussels sprouts? That would be even better. Oh, we're just strolling down the street. I see a backpack. But you got something else in your hand. You stealing people's mail?